So in this video, we are going to talk about how to make being a stay-at-home mom more fun. And being a stay-at-home mom, there's a lot of things that you're gonna need to get done, but I like to put my tasks and daily duties, Elena, don't touch that. Come here, come talk to them. I like to put them all in like categories and then, kind of like list things, and know what it is that I need to get done. So the first step is knowing what you need to get done. The second step is creating a schedule. Oh, yeah? Oh, hi. Hi.
Mom.
Yes, I am Mama. Can you say hi?
Mom.
Oh. But I want to go a bit more in depth on some things that you can do. So one of the things that I love to do with Elena, hey, come here. Come on. Let's go over here. So we love to do our own little dance parties and stuff like that. So I'll come into this playroom. This is the main place where we come to play. Yeah, and do our one-on-one time. One-on-one time is so important. But yeah, we do our little dance parties, and those make it so much fun for both of us. It gets more of her energy out. And it kind of just really helps for us both, I think, to de-stress, especially when I turn on those like bomb playlists, like those playlists where I just like cannot stop, dancing and singing and everything. And Elena loves it. Like, she loves that we get to do that together. So the second thing that I like to do with her is actually cleaning. Like, we'll do, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you hungry? We'll do cleaning together, and make it just a fun way for, hey, no hitting. Please stop. Do you want some? Thank you. Here, let me take it. Sit. And so that helps it to where she's actually like helping me do something productive, and it's keeping her busy, and she likes learning how to do the different things like sweeping, putting the laundry away, even just me doing the laundry. She just likes being in the laundry room with me while I'm putting the stuff in there in the washer and the dryer. So that just makes it a lot more easy on me, because then she's not like screaming for my attention and everything, and she feels like she's, doing something with me. The third thing I think is really, really important, which is exercise. And I do it daily. We do it together. So unless she is feeling sick that day, and she takes like a nap and whatnot, but we'll do exercise by going outside and going on a walk. And I try to let her really walk like on her feet. Oh, thank you. You gonna eat them? Yeah? Good. Yay. You see, she's so good at communicating. Oh, do you want it? Yeah? Okay. So she's so good at communicating, and I'm going to talk about that in another video of how I kind of got her better at communicating, even though she's not even 2 yet. So the next thing is that we always eat together, and that's important because I used to forget to eat, because I always was like, oh, well, when she eats, it's time for me to get things done. And the reason that doesn't work is because then you end up never eating or drinking, and then you exhaust yourself to the point of where you just end up collapsing. Or you're just really angry and grumpy, or, just get a really horrible headache, or, there's so many things that it will affect, because it affects your body in a really negative way. So that's why it's very, very important to prioritize your health and make sure that you're having very healthy eating and drinking habits. So I always carry around a giant thing of water. It's out in the living room right now, but I usually bring it like in all the rooms with me, and then I make sure to bring her a cup of water as well, so that we're both having those good drinking habits and drinking whenever we can. And then we eat, you know, around the same times every day, our 3 meals a day, and then I try and do the snack times at the same times each day. Another thing you could try out is dress up days, which is where you and your kid or kids dress up. So you could wear something really nice even if you're not going out. And I know a lot of the times I'm in like my PJs most days, or something that's really comfortable and stretchy. But there are days where we dress up, and that can make you feel really nice and really good. And I mean, you can even go out too if you want. Plan like a mom day thing or something with your mom friends, and all of you go out with your kids and all you dress up and, you know, just have fun. It's important to get out too. You don't want to be stuck in the house 24/7. So I hope these were helpful. Check out these videos and make sure to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you and if you want to see more mom hacks and tips.